Heard Word is great because it gives you a safe space to share your work and get feedback from other writers.
Definitely go to Heard Word.
Heard Word is a weekly online writing workshop.
We read out pieces and give each other feedback.
A thing I'm struggling with at the moment is who knows what and when.
I will listen and give feedback one week, and another week people will be doing that for me.
It's very kind and friendly.
We've had some amazing featured writers. We've got people that are novelists, that are short story writers who are writing children's books.
It's the thing that's given me so much feedback and so much pleasure.
Sharing my own stories really gave me confidence.
It was a chance to actually go, here's my work, please listen to me and tell me if it's good or bad, because I never got that reassurance before.